This is Peter Lau. Today is Monday, November 4th. I'm at 101 North Vista Avenue, Pasadena, California. I'll be entering through the rear side cleanout. Now there's actually two mainline cleanouts out in the front yard, but I'm using the rear side cleanout to provide a little bit more information in regards to the sewer line. It's a 3-inch ABS cleanout, and in a brief moment we will be transitioning to the end of the sewer line, as that provides the clearest video. We're about 117 feet into the main sewer line, where it ties in with the city sewer, noted at a depth of 7 feet. Currently what you're seeing on the screen is the city sewer lateral. You can see that this line is 6 inches in diameter, and there's a lot of water currently being ran through it, and that's because other houses on the block that are on the sewer system will have a similar setup where they have their own individual sewer line and goes out to this point. Camera's currently resting on the saddle, which is the curvature of the pipe that comes from the property being inspected to the city. And you can see there's no water currently being ran at the time of inspection. There was water being ran prior and during, but it's been turned off for a few minutes now. So for the city of Pasadena, they like to use cast iron going out to the city sewer, where you did see briefly there was some clay, but a majority of this sewer line is going to be this cast iron material. So the estimated service life for cast iron is roughly 60 to 80 years, and scaling is observed within the cast iron portion of this line. Scaling is a buildup of minerals. It gets caked onto itself over the years, similar to an artery that's being slowly clogged. There is some buildup on the interior side of the pipe, but it's not causing any blockage at the time of inspection. Again, this is a further run from the rear side cleanout because I was giving you more information. I opted to use a cleanout axis that is further from the city street. We're seeing some water at about 89 feet. The distance indicator is noted on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. So other than the scaling, there's no debris buildup noted thus far. The cast iron, while it does look a little bit older, it's still functional at the time of inspection. Scaling makes it hard for me to detect if there are any cracks or leaks on the exterior side. And given that this is running on the left-hand side of the house, you would not be able to see it because it's not underneath the crawl space. With about 45 feet remaining. Still working our way back from cast iron. Once again, the majority of this line is made up of this cast iron material, and it's not uncommon to see this in Pasadena. seeing mostly the same thing. Scaling observed in the cast iron. With about 20 feet remaining. Working our way out the axis, and you will see for a brief moment that we do have some newer material. So this is called ABS. And then this will conclude the inspection for 101 North Mar Vista. There will be a second video included to provide information in regards to the unit in the back. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call, text, or email me. Thank you.